How to redeem codes on Monopoly Go. Now, if you have just newly purchased a Monopoly Go card game, you should be able to see that redeem codes on the specific or the physical box itself. Now, again, you won't be able to redeem the codes using the Monopoly Go application. What you need to do is just to pull up your browser from your device and then go to Monopoly Go's official website. You scroll down a bit, it is usually located on the second result or the second part after the Google Play result. Just simply pull it up. Now, once you have written down or once your redeem code is visible, just slowly scroll down on the Monopoly Go's official website. And as you can see, under reward codes, this is going to be the specific field in which you can input the codes from the physical box itself. Now, for you to be able to input it, just simply tap on that, and you'll have to log in whether through your Facebook or through your Monopoly Go account first. Now, you should be able to manually input your redeem codes once you have successfully logged in and make sure that you are entering a correct number basing on the physical box. So yeah, that's it. That's how you redeem codes on Monopoly Go.